My name it is Sam Hall, Sam Hall. My name it is Sam Hall, Sam Hall.
Yeah, it's a rainy day. Loaded up some ammo. These are 124 grain hollow points from Extreme Bullets. Pretty good round. I tried them out on the range the other day. They're not bad. They cost a lot of money. Better than a round nose. Better than a full metal jacket. And if you load them right, they'll drop right in that sizing guy like that, flush. And a lot of that's due to the fact that I bought this Lee crimp die. If you make mistakes, that thing will really take the wrinkle out of that shell case and do a nice crimp on the bullet. So these ought to work out just fine. I've loaded those up with 5.2 grains of silhouette, and I know they work fine because I've made this load recently and tried it, and it's a great loading and great shooting around. There you have it. A rainy day in Louisville.
Well, you can kiss my bloody bum, damn your eyes. My name is Samuel, Samuel. My name is Samuel, Samuel. My name is Samuel, and I'll see y'all in hell. I'll see y'all in